Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of what is a cheap Chinese grill. It's an offset smoker called Char-Griller. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find the video informative. They've done an interesting design on the handle here. It's they've redesigned how it attaches, and then the handle is that wire. You can see here the thin sheet metal versus this handle. Those are the handles on the Pro series, Char-Griller Pro series. Take a look at the grates here. Well designed, kind of standard cast iron. That bottom grate is not going to hold up very well under the coals. It will warp. It's going to have to be replaced. Comes with a vent to control the oxygen. And this drawer gets, I don't know if it's how it's constructed, but it doesn't open very smoothly. If brand new, it does not open well. You're gonna have some problems with that as it starts to age and rust. On the underside here, you'll see they have a stop that I don't understand why they put it in there, because you're gonna wanna empty the ash out of that. That means you're gonna have to use your hands to scoop out that ash. Not a good design, in my opinion. Very thin metal too. The wheels. Inside you've got a warming rack. Chrome plated. I believe that'll hold up pretty well. Grates are the cast iron grates. Pretty standard construction. They should hold up pretty well, especially since they're, most of the time if you're using it as an offset smoker, it won't be under direct flame. Example of the thin metal, it's already warping on the firebox. You have an adjustable height on the coal bed. If you're going to be using this as a large grill, you can put coals underneath. That coal grate on that is not going to hold up well though. Again, thin sheet metal. I think they saved a lot of money on the sheet metal. There's the stack out of the hood, the rack on the bottom. They've always been kind of thin like that. The frame bolts usually hold up pretty well, not under heat. They don't rust a whole lot. I'm not impressed with this vent. The screws that are holding it, there's no doubt they're going to take a heat load and they're going to rust badly. That vent is going to become unusable probably within a season. You'll be struggling with that. You can even see that screw moving back and forth. Not a good design. Here's a good design that I've used on my Oklahoma Joe. Holds up well. Standard stack vent control. Here we look at the sheet metal construction. You'll notice that there's no weld on that. It's put together and then tack welded on the inside. So you're talking only a couple of tacks holding that whole firebox together. There's some tacks on the coal grate inside there. It's not going to hold up well. Just to show you an example of welds and construction in the Oklahoma Joe, much different. There you can see it's actually a thickness weld. And even in the Char-Griller, the Pro series, the welds, there's a few tack welds, but when you get down to the bottom, that is a full thickness weld. A little sloppy. You're getting what you pay for in that, but it's better than that Char-Griller series. The feet are tack welded. I would definitely worry about those falling off, rusting over time. You do get a drip cup holder. Attaches to the bottom of the barrel. That works well. You got metal shelves. That front one, I believe, folds down, and the side one does not, but it does have hook. I don't want to give anyone the impression that I'm down on Char-Griller. I actually own a Char-Griller, have for better part of 10 years now. I've replaced the firebox once. I do believe it is a good grill, sound construction, and if you take care of it, and keep it covered, it will last you. Don't think that I'm flaming Char-Grill on this, pun intended. It is a good solid grill. This King Griller though, I think you can tell what my recommendation is regarding that. That's my take on this grill. I hope I didn't rip it up too badly. I am a Char-Griller supporter. Like I said, I own one. Just know what you're getting when you're buying this. It's not going to last you more than a couple of years. That firebox is going to fail you relatively quickly. And those advantages come with, I don't know, $30, $40 more if you get the Pro Series. What they've taken out of this just isn't worth it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, and share, and come on back for more.